students, greetings to all. In this module, we'll be continuing with our ongoing chapter, that is chapter 3, human reproduction. In this module, we'll be talking about oogenesis. The process of formation of egg is referred to as oogenesis, which is a discontinuous process. Now, the reason why it is referred to as discontinuous in nature, this is because the follicle, they start forming in the embryonic stage when the fetus is developing inside the mother's womb, and this process continues till the time the fetus gets parturated from the female body, and then it resumes again at puberty, and it ends at menopause at the age of 45 to 50 years. Now, in the first month of the embryonic stage or during the gestation period, there are 17,000 follicles which are produced in the body, which is present inside the mother's womb. In the second week, the number of the follicle increases up to 6 lakh. In the fifth month, it reaches 7 million follicles. And then the process of atresia starts. So, by the time the fetus gets parturated out, the number drops from 7 million to 2 million. And when the puberty is attained, so this process will continue, and by the time the puberty is attained, there will be only 60 to 80,000 follicles which will remain in the body of the female. For every 500 follicle, out of every 500 follicle, one will develop into the mature egg, the ovum or the oocyte. Now, this process of development of this follicle into the ovule, it has 3 stages, including the first, which is referred to as the multiplication stage. So now when we talk about the multiplication phase or the multiplication stage, that is nothing but it is referred to as mitosis. Later on to multiplication, we have got the growth phase, and after that the next phase, it is referred to as the maturation phase. So the maturation phase includes the process of meiosis, which includes meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In the next lecture module, we will be studying in detail the various stages of development of the egg or the ovum or the oocyte from the primary oocyte. Thank you.